So in this video, I'm going to show you how to swap two numbers without using a third variable or temporary variable. So I'm going to do this program in Python. The same logic will work fine in all other programming languages. So irrespective of the programming language, you can watch this video. That's not going to be an issue. So let's get started. So first, let me input two numbers. So a equal to int of input, and we enter a with a slash m. Okay, just copy it again. So it's going to be our second number b. Okay, let's give some space. Okay, this was good. Okay. Next thing, what there are actually two ways of implementing this. So one is by using multiplication and division, and another one is going to be by using addition and subtraction. I will show you both. Okay, first let me show you the multiplication and division. That's both are same, so I will show first. So first thing, a equal to a asterisk b. Okay, this is the first line of code. The next thing is going to be b equal to a slash b, and next thing is also going to be the same. So but a equal to a slash b. So that's it. So we have swapped successfully. That's the three lines of code. Now let me run the program and I will explain it clearly. Okay. So now just printing it. Okay. Printing, and I'll put a is in the double quotes and b is. So I'm using format. Okay. You can just simply print a is without serious. Format a comma b. I think that will work fine. I think so. Run module. Okay. So it's asking me to enter a. So I will enter 15 and 10 will good. It's good, I think so. And as you can see here, now a becomes 10 and b is 15. So you can clearly see that numbers have swapped because a corresponds to this one and b corresponds to this one. So I have swapped clearly. I have not just printed it. So that's the proof. Okay, now let me explain this piece of code over here. Okay. Okay, so first a equal to a slash b. So we were just multiplying. So in that example, I took 10. Okay, so I took 10 asterisk 15. Okay, so it will obviously equal to 150. So now this is a. Okay, so a is now 150, and next thing is b equals to a slash b, which means 150 slash our b value is 15. Okay, I will write that over here. Okay, 10 and 15. Okay, now our b value is 15, so I will just put 15 over here. So now it will become 10. Okay, so now this is. So as you can clearly see here, b has swapped already, but a is in 150. So now what we need to do to get 15, we need to simply divide a by b. So that's it. That's what we are doing here. So now 150 slash b, which is 10, so it will return 15. Okay, that's pretty obvious. So now if we print it, we will get 15 and 10 as the output. So we have obviously swapped the numbers clearly. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you how to do by using that addition and subtraction method. So that's also very simple. So let me first delete it out. Okay, I will take the same example. Okay, 10 and 15. So first what I know is a equal to it's a plus b, and b is equal to a minus b, and a equal to also a minus b. So it's pretty much similar to that one. If you are just 3 steps, same thing instead of that addition and multiplication. That's how it works. So let me run and prove that it's working fine. So okay, now I will run. Okay, so same thing, a has 10 and b has 15, and as you can see here, it was swapped. Really, a is 15 and b is 10. Okay, now let me just quickly go through it. So first input is 10 and 15. Okay, 10 and 15. Okay, so now a equal to a plus b, so it's 25. So now a value is 25, and next thing what we have to get here is, so next we are getting b. Okay, I'll go by the flow. So b equal to a minus b. So now a is 25, and we are subtracting A's value by using B. So it's going to be 15. Okay. So to get B value, okay, that's what we're doing. Basic some total and some total. A plus B equal to a particular number, and we need to find another A or B from that. So that's how this works. Simple concept. So now we have successfully swapped A's value to B, and next thing we need to get A value. So that's going to be A equal to A minus B. That swapped B value to subtracting from the total A value. That's going to be 25 minus 10. That's going to give us 15. Okay, so now that's going to be our A. So that's it. We have successfully swapped the numbers